ito na bilang paghahanda po. Pinagsama-sama po dito sa Carino Grandstand. Hintay-hintay lang tayo saglit. Mamaya-maya magsisimula na. May hinihintay lang siguro, no? Pero ito po yung panimula bilang paghahanda po sa mga event hanggang 9 January 9. So pinulong at pinagsama-sama po dito, and alamin po natin mamaya-maya yung mga sasabihin po dyan sa harapan. Sa mga hindi nakakalam, simula po mamaya ay alam ko meron ng mga nakapagila po dito sa bandang likuran ko. And I think mamaya-maya magkapasok na rin po yan, no? Pero bago yun, ito po yung ganap po dito. Hey, dyan tayo. Pa, no? Hindi ka pumunta na nga. Dito na ako. Mag-live ka na. Dito na. Ito magla-live. Live ako, bro. Ayoko baka pagkakita. Against the light na.
Bacon Police Office. Major General Anthony A. Aberin, duly represented by Acting Deputy Regional Director for Administration and the current DRDO, Police Brigadier General Manuel J. Abrojena. The District Director of the Manila Police District, Police Brigadier General Arnold E. Abad, officials of the Quiapo Church Administration, headed by Father Ramon Jet, our partners from the Armed Forces of the Philippines, Office of the Civil Defense, NCR, represented by Director George Kaiser, Philippine Coast Guard, Commodore Christopher Miñado, from the DOH, ASEC, Dr. Gloria Balboa, there are bureaus and agencies involved, other officials of the city government of Manila, other senior police officers, PNCOs, volunteers, task leaders, and friends from the media. I welcome you to the send-off ceremony for the Feast of the Jesus Nazarene 2026. The Feast of the Jesus Nazarene is a deeply rooted tradition that reflects the strong faith, resilience, and devotion of millions of Filipino devotees. For centuries, this sacred celebration has stood as a powerful symbol of hope, sacrifice, and unwavering belief. It continues to unite our people regardless of background or circumstance. We recognize and respect the profound spiritual significance of this event. For our devotees, the journey of Nazareno is a personal act of faith. And as public servants, it is our duty to honor this faith by ensuring that everyone can participate safely and peacefully. So, to our police officers and all force contingents assembled here today, I want to emphasize that your role in this historic event is vital. We are not only tasked to enforce the law, but more importantly, to protect lives, maintain order, and serve with compassion and professionalism. Let us remember that every devotee we assist, every crowd we manage, and every risk we prevent contributes to the success of this sacred occasion. We call on everyone involved to remain vigilant, disciplined, and coordinated. Let us uphold the highest standards of service, guided by respect for your human life, cooperation with our partner agencies, and dedication to our mission of public safety. May this Feast of Jesus Nazarene 2026 be peaceful, orderly, and spiritually uplifting for all. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you very much for the
Deputy District Director for Operations of Manila Police District to formally present the personnel and resources.
Thank you. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. It is my distinct honor and privilege to present before you as the Deputy District Director for Operations of Manila Police District, the members of the interagency contingent, including the respective logistical capabilities composed of the Manila Police District, Special Action Force, Regional Force Battalion,
Leader General Manuel J. Abrojena, the Deputy Regional Director for Administration. Sir.
po na naririto ngayon. Isang magandang hapon po sa lahat. Una, nais ko pong bigyan ng pagkilala ang ating butihing Mayor, Honorable Isko Moreno, Sir, Father Licuanan. Sa lahat po ng mga nandito ngayon, isang magandang hapon po. Ipinaabot po ng ating butihing Regional Director, Major General Anthony A. Aberin, ang kanyang paumanhin sapagkat hindi po niya tayo nasamahan ngayon because he has to attend a very important activity in Camp Krami. Kaya nga po ako ay naatasan upang ipahatid sa kanya o upang ipahatid sa inyo ang kanyang tagubilin sa pagsisimula ng ating activity na ito. And allow me to read it. And I go. As you take your post for Translation 2026, remember that you carry not just an assignment, but the trust of billions of devotees and the responsibility of safeguarding one of our nation's most sacred gatherings. This mission will test your discipline, patience, and compassion. You will endure long hours, dense crowds, and intense pressure. In this moment, professionalism is shown not by force, but by restraint. Not by authority alone, but by service. Ang bawat kilos, pasya, at pakikitungo ay dapat magpakita ng pinakamataas na antas ng disiplina at profesionalismo ng isang uniform personnel, mapapulis man o mapa-armed forces. Manatiling mahinahon sa anumang hamon, maging matatag, ngunit magalang sa pagpapatupad ng mga panuntunan sa kaligtasan at laging tandaan na ang taong inyong binabantayan ay naririto na may dalang pananampalataya at panalangin. Ang inyong tungkulin ay hindi upang mangibabaw, kundi upang tiyakin ang kaayusan at kaligtasan. Isagawa ang crowd control, pagtugon sa emerhensiya at koordinasyon ng may kahusayan at tamang pag-iingat. Sundin ang mga planong operasyonal, igalang ang chain of command at panatilihin ang malinaw na komunikasyon. Higit sa lahat, pangalagaan ninyo ang inyong sariling kaligtasan habang binabantayan ang kaligtasan ng publiko. Magbantayan sa isa't isa, magsagawa ng tamang rotation o pagpapalit ng duties. Manatiling hydrated at patuloy na maging alerto. Walang tagumpay na katumbas ng isang buhay, maging ito man ay sa isang deboto o kapwa nating kawani sa gobyerno. Serve with integrity, professionalism, and humanity. Let this deployment reflect public safety service that is fair yet compassionate, disciplined yet considerate, and visible yet respectful. Lubos ang aming tiwala sa inyong pagsasanay, kakayahan at pamumuno at matibay na paninindigan sa tungkulin. Naway may isagawa ninyo ang inyong mga gawain ng may ganap na kaligtasan. Makabalik sa inyong mga pamilya ng ligtas at walang kapahamakan at magkaroon ng karangalang makapaglingkod sa makabuluhan at banal na pagdiriwang na ito. Mag-ingat kayo sa inyong tungkulin, naway maging ligtas, maayos at makabuluhan ang Traslasyon 2026 para sa lahat. Anto.
Thank you very much, Sir Brigadier General Manuel J. Aprohena.
And finally, ladies and gentlemen, for his message of support, may we now call on the City Mayor of Manila, Honorable Isko Moreno Dumaguoso.